Okay, so we're continuing from where we left off. We were doing May-June 2006 P3 question number 10, and we attempted part 1 and part 2, and we are gonna continue with part 3, where we're supposed to find the equation of the plane. And first we're gonna find this part, n. Now to find this n, which is normal, which would be normal to the plane, and it will be normal at the point where AN and AB, these two lines are gonna meet. So the cross product of AN into AB is going to give us that. So AN is going to be ON minus OA and AB is going to be OB minus OA. So OA and OB, these two position vectors, were given to us in the question, and in part 2 we found out the position vector ON. So now we have all of these position vectors that we can just plug in and get our answer. So what I did basically was write ON, which is this, over here, OA, which is this, over here, OB, which is this, over here, and OA, over here. So we have calculated AN. This is 4 minus 4 minus 9. So we've got this, we've got this. Now we're gonna do a cross product for these two vectors. Now first we're going to take AB, which is this vector right here, and we're going to write its position 4I minus 4j minus 9 k. And then our values for the other vector an, 6 minus 2 minus 8. And now we're gonna open it up. So what you're doing over here is that you're ignoring this and you're taking these numbers. Ignore this and take this number, this batch of numbers. And for J, we're gonna ignore this part and we're gonna take this and this. And similarly for K, we're gonna ignore this and take these batch of numbers. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to cross multiply them. First this, then this. First these two numbers in this direction, and then this. Okay? So minus 8 into minus 4 is 32 minus this minus right here is part of how you're going to open this. So it's going to be present whenever you're opening this no matter what. Minus j, and this, the minus with the j is also part of, you can say, the formula of opening. Minus 8 into 4 is minus 32 minus 9 into 6, which is minus 54 plus k minus 8 minus 24. Now this minus minus here would become plus 54. This minus minus over here will become plus 24. So this would be minus 30, for J it would be minus 32 plus 54 plus, for K it will be minus 8 plus 24, which would be 16, and writing this as a column vector would be 4. 14 minus 22 and 16. Okay. And now we have found this. This is our normal. But we know for an equation of plane we need r dot n is equals to d. R is basically anything x, y, z. So to find d, we have to do a dot n. So to find d, we're gonna do a, which is minus 1, 3, 5, with our n, which we just found out was 14 minus 22, 16, is equals to minus 14 minus 66 this. Minus 14 minus 66 plus 80 is equals to 0. So our equation for the plane is gonna be 14x minus 22y plus 16z is equals to 0. Now what we can do over here is that we can take 2 common. So we'll have 7x minus 11y plus 8z. Okay, and if we take this to the other side, so we're gonna have 7x minus 11y plus 8z is equals to 0, and this is our equation of the plane, and with this we're done with all 3 parts of question number 10 of summer 2006 P3.